Welcome, welcome, welcome. My name is Brian. This is Soul Truth Alchemy. What if I told you that your whole life experience, your emotions, your relationships, even your purpose in life is shaped by one system inside of your body? And what if I told you that that system is actually a lot like a spider web? I'm talking about your nervous system, the web that connects you to your body and to the rest of the world. Today, I want to share with you the importance of this system, how it works, and one simple tool that you can use to regulate your nervous system when you're triggered. This system is at the core of your experience in this reality. It allows you to sense, to move, and to respond to everything around you. And it's more than just the physical connection from your brain to your body. Your nervous system is actually energetically connected and it's relational. That's right. That means that your nervous system can actually communicate to the nervous systems of the beings around you. This is called co-regulation. And it's why when you are around calm people that you might feel more calm. And it's also why when you're around somebody who's stressed out, that can stress you out. Maybe you're actually somebody who's pretty used to being stressed out. What if I told you that when your nervous system is dysregulated, it can be almost impossible to hear your intuition. But when your nervous system is regulated, your intuitive channels open up and you can actually be your most powerful self. This isn't just about feeling better. This is about unlocking your whole intelligence. Your body, your mind, and your spirit working together. Let me tell you a little bit about my journey. So for years, decades, anxiety was my baseline. I actually believed it was just who I was. And when I wasn't anxious, I couldn't even trust the feelings of peace. I always felt like my anxiety would just return. But as I started learning more about my nervous system, I began to get more familiar with feelings of peace. And I could better sense when my system was out of balance. If I noticed my body tightening up, or a pit in my stomach, or my thoughts were racing, I knew I had to make a choice. Either I could just push through and numb out like I had done for most of my life, or I could do something different. I could actually tend to my nervous system. What changed everything was learning to listen deeply and to treat these signs not as problems, but as information for guidance. So, how is your nervous system like a spider web? A spider's web is intricate and incredibly sensitive. The spider knows exactly when something touches its web, whether it's a leaf, a fly, or a raindrop. It knows what it is just from the vibration. And when any part of that web is compromised, the spider responds immediately because it knows that if it doesn't fix the damage or clear out the debris, that it won't be able to catch its food and it won't survive. But most of us humans, we don't treat our nervous system like this. We ignore the signs, we override them, or we collapse under the weight of our own nervous system. Sometimes I've done all three of those in one day. But with time, you can learn to care for this web, to notice the disturbances and to tend to them right away. Not by trying to control everything, but by reconnecting to your body and letting it guide you back into balance. So how can you tend to your nervous system? Here is one method that has helped me regulate my nervous system. It's simple, and you can try it right now. I want to invite you to get comfortable in your chair and close your eyes. Imagine in your mind's eye that you are a towering ancient tree. Imagine that there is a thick, sturdy taproot growing out from the bases of your feet, reaching down deep into the earth. This root is strong. It holds you, and it connects you to something ancient and nourishing. Now take a breath. Inhale slowly and feel that root go even deeper. Exhale and feel yourself grounding. Keep breathing into that feeling. Let your system soften and settle. And then from this grounded place, ask yourself, what would bring me back into balance? Listen for the answer and then make one small decision. Maybe it's a decision to rest. Maybe it's to step outside or to move your body to some music or whatever wants to move. Or maybe it's to set a boundary with someone in your life. Let your nervous system guide you, not your mind. Listen to your body's wisdom. So take a breath. Your nervous system is not broken. It's a sensitive, sacred web. And like the spider, you have the power to tend to it. And when you do, you won't just feel better. You will unlock your true essence and your intuition. So I'll leave you with this. What is your nervous system telling you today?